with 4 different filler. Depends on the class of filler. For example, this 2-1 is HP and these 2-1 are LP. How can we cope with this one? We have a filler valve station. We can change the and sharing area, sharing valve between the fillers. You can share inlet of the Q drum and also in the outlet of the Q drum. You can share the filler line together with double block and bleeder, with bleeder to connect to each other, also to the filler stack. You can use one of them. You can keep one of them in service and put under maintenance, but you have to be sure about the operation in the rest all the refinery. This is sharing method, but you are not allowed to share the filler network which are designed with at the different pressure. You are not allowed to interrupt them. MP with HP is acceptable after Q drum. MP with HP acceptable after Q drum. But LP with HP is not acceptable.
No.
Because if something happen in the HP side, the filler network here pressure is more than 7.5 bar. And the LP connected to the vessel, most of them working less than 7 bar gauge. In this condition, you have a vessel here, the operating pressure is 7. And want to release the media to the filler line, but the back pressure, the superimposed back pressure of the filler is 7.5. If your PSV start to popping, we have in this direction additional media introduced to the vessel and maybe we have a reverse flow into the vessels. Okay.
So by high pressure,
Can we share them? Yeah. We have a sharing area, we have sharing valve in the filler station. Sometimes they
الفكرة مالتك تقدر يعني مثلا شحن هنا يعني انا ودي استفاد عندك.
انا سالت انا ما اعرف الاجابه يصير لو ما يصير. انا سالت الاستاذ.
الهاي بريشر والهاي بريشر بس ما تجي من اللوريا تقدر تسوي الهاي بريشر انا اعبر.
Okay. Our limitation in our country for height of filler is 130 meter. We are not allowed to design a filler stack with height more than 130 meter because of radiation. Okay, we calculate the safe area is this one, and when we calculate for some purposes for some chemical plants, and we saw that the height of the filler is more than 130, 150. Are we permitted to design this type of filler? Not. We have to divide it into 2 fillers. In this condition, for example, for HP, we divided it into 2 or 3 different fillers. For example, we have some source of material which release here. Which of this material is cause of high temperature here? Radiation related to the temperature. Temperature related to the component. Which component produce for us higher temperature? Maybe it is related to 1, 2, 3 equipment. It's better to design for them, depending on the pressure, a ground enclosed filler and send the rest of material to the normal filler with less heat. Okay? For example, if we have in the petrochemical plant, we have a benzene. Benzene and other material, C4, iso C4, normal C4, propane, ethane and other components. And the filler height is 150. We calculate that. The most effective part of the high temperature, as I explained before, is related to this heavy component. If we send this heavy component to the enclosed or other filler, which located far from the process line, we can reduce the height of the filler. Sometimes we introduce huge amount of gas to the filler line. We have to install a large pipe, more than 1 meter. In this case also, we decided to install 3 smaller filler stack instead of 1 large. And introduce the filler gas in normal condition without any restriction for the second one with the PV. When the pressure in the first filler line, filler stack increase, automatically open this one and introduce gas to this one. When pressure increase more, introduce the gas to the last one. Therefore, by diameter we have a limitation. We are not allowed to size a filler with a diameter of 6 meters. We have to divide it into several, and also we have a limitation about the height of the filler. Why we are not allowed to work in more than 130 meters? Because we introduce some material to the next layer of atmosphere, and